welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And thank you for joining us as the ladies of Elegance present to you Christmas in July on Sophisticated Saturday. Links to both of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure you visit the playlist for some awesome Christmas decorating inspiration. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy while I put the rest of this beautiful red and white Christmas in July tablescape together. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just about everything I used today was thrifted, except for the glassware. I got that some time ago at, I believe, Burlington, and the Dollar Tree plate that is underneath. And other than that, everything I used today was thrifted. So Merry Thriftmas in July. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And let me know which of the two looks you prefer. Both tablescapes are a table for two, but do you like the more casual look or the first one, which was a more formal look? Let me know in those comments. Please make sure you tune in next month, second Tuesday of the month at 6 p.m. for Sophisticated Saturdays, where we'll be doing End of Summer. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this gives you inspiration. Until next time.